This honestly just boils down everything as far as trading goes. It takes all this time to get good at everything, but you really think 30 days, 1 month, and you're going to be successful? You're going to take your $4,000 and turn it into $1 million? I don't think so. This is the How to Trade Stocks and Options podcast, brought to you by 10MinuteStockTrader.com, where we cover finance, stocks, options, entrepreneurship, education, and money. And here's your host, voted one of the top 100 people in finance, Christopher Ewell. Hey, don't forget to grab your free Secret Investing book over at secretinvestingbook.com while it's still available. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch all of our past episodes. Good afternoon, traders. Happy August 10th. It is a casual Thursday around here. Mainly, I didn't want to get dressed because there's no trading to be done. So, thank you all so much for coming to today's 10-Minute Trading Room. Let's jump into our market analysis. All right, welcome to the 10-Minute Trading Room. This is how to trade in only 10 minutes a day and exactly how to take the guesswork out of trading. Now, with our outlier trading strategy, what we need to see are a few key performance indicators. We need to see the 10 over the 20 with price over the 50. And we don't have that anymore. The 10-20 are crossing right now, or kissing right now. They're kissing cousins at the moment. That's not what you want to see. There's nothing bullish about that. It is above the 50, but it's, depending on where this closes, it's either going to be at or below and cross down. And if the market can't make this happen on a weaker than expected CPI, which is what we all want to see, honestly, the market is going to take a few days to figure this out. And I don't know how long it's going to take. Also, additionally, the market needs to have some more market breadth, more participants in order to make it so we could go long. And if you take a look, we want to see the 10 over the 20, price over the 50 on MMFI. Yeah, we don't have that either. We have the 10 actually under the 20. We have 10 under the 50. So there's some real damage getting done. If price were crossed down here and this was the way it is, we would be looking for short opportunities. But right now, we're not looking for any opportunities. We're staying out of the market until the trend redevelops, right? Now, granted, it's not really done a whole lot in the last month. So July 12th to here is essentially what's happened. But don't rush into anything. Don't rush into anything at all right now. Take the time to just sit back and chill and let the market figure out which direction it's going to go and then jump in. So we're not even going to move on to the next steps. So let's go into our final thoughts. Don't forget, if tomorrow's a transition day, which I can't see a reason why there would not be a transition day tomorrow, transition Fridays, we take off. We enjoy the summer. So it takes 5 to 10 years to finish school. It takes 5 to 10 years to get experience at a 9-to-5 job. It takes 5 to 10 years to become a professional athlete. It takes 5 to 10 years to become a successful performer. But 90% of traders want to become millionaires in 30 days. And that is why 90% of traders fail. That's a good one. Yeah, I'm going to save that one. Yeah. This honestly just boils down everything as far as trading goes. It takes all this time to get good at everything. But you really think 30 days, 1 month, and you're going to be successful? You're going to take your $4,000 and turn it into $1 million? I don't think so. There's a lot of experience that needs to be taught in these 5 to 10 years. And most people want to skip that. But not you. And that's why 90% of traders fail. And the other 10% are like you, who put in the grind day in and day out with consistency and discipline. So that's going to cover it. I do not anticipate tomorrow we're going to be trading. It's going to be another transition day. The math is just there. So I will see you back here on Monday. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk soon. Hey, don't forget to grab your free Secret Investing book over at secretinvestingbook.com while it's still available.